Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and today's video is going to be about the contour tool and a little bit of different aspect in the twirl tool. Kind of throw that in. So I just made a video about this star and I contoured to the outside, but this time we're going to contour to the center. So go to Effects, Contour, and a while ago I did to the outside and I said 4 steps at 0.2 of an inch. You could do it to the inside with 4 steps, 2.2 of an inch. But when you go to center, it doesn't let you tell it how many steps. It's going to determine the steps by how many steps it can get in at 0.02. Then you just hit apply. That's pretty cool in itself. Then all we have to do is take our Smart Fill tool and fill in every other line. Now you could do this 2 different ways, and it just happened to work out where we had all the lines. But if you don't get all the lines, it does not really matter. Now, I could have, let me just delete this. I could have arrowed my Smart Fill away as I was going, but this is almost as easy. Take your star and just cursor over one time with your arrow key. Grab that star, which is part of the contour, and you can delete all it, and then you've got rid of all the lines. So there's a good, clean, engravable star. Now let's take this star and group it all, Control G. Go up to the Twirl tool, which is underneath the flyout of the Shape tool. We'll go about 12 inches. We're going to go at 50% right here, and that is pressure or rate, the speed at which the twirl affects it. Put it in the center and click on it. That selected it, and then get to the center of that star and just hold down. Now I went actually a little bit too far, so let's click on it and just, there you go. Now with that same thing, you could make it 6 inches and change this to 25% so it won't go so fast. Click on your star, but this time we're going to go the opposite direction with the rotation. And that would be good enough as it is. But now you've got a completely different look of the star. Almost looks like it's alive. And it's good, clean vector lines. Now, I'm not going to ever say you could draw a star like that, but you can do that with any object. Kind of looks like a live starfish. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.